How to sign in Axis Bank credit card account online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign into Axis Bank credit card account online. For this, you want to open up any web browser and search for Axis Bank credit card login. Then tap on the very first website, which is axisbank.com. Now, once you get on this page, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here you have different options. Now, you want to select the type of account you have. So, for example, if you have a personal account, go ahead and tap on the login option next to personal. Then on this page, you will have to enter some credentials. Go ahead and enter your login ID or customer ID here. After you have entered that, the next step is to enter your password. In case you forgot your password, tap on the forgot password option and from there you will be able to reset your password. Now here's the option of login directly to. Tap on the drop down menu and here you have different options such as dashboard, accounts, term deposits, payment, investments and credit cards. Go ahead and select credit card option from here. Now tap on the login option. If the details you've entered are correct, you will be directly taken to the credit card section of your Axis Bank account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.